Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we will be moving forward with Notochord. Right, this is the 7th characteristics which we were left off, and we had left with I think we're done with symmetry and segmentation, and this is the last thing which was left, right? On the basis of classification, this is the 7th classification on the basis of which the animals are classified. Right? So here you can all see this diagram. This is the diagram which is a very familiar diagram from the NCERT. You can see this in the NCERT as well. What is shown here, beta, this same diagram which you will be studying when you will be studying the chordates in detail. Right? So when you will be studying chordates, you obviously know the chord, you already know the phylums, right? So chordates, hemichordates, non-chordates, you will be studying here. Just a brief introduction will be given here, and then you will be studying in detail, right? So what is notochord? What is this notochord? Notochord, beta, it is a rod-like structure. It is a rod-like structure that provides support. Right? So if I ask you guys that do you have a notochord, you will say yes. We earlier had a notochord which is now known as our backbone. Right? So in the early stages of development, right? In the backbone's early stages of development, it's called notochord, and later on this notochord further develops and leads to the formation of the backbone. So if I ask you that you have a notochord, you will say yes, we have a notochord, right? We had a notochord which is now developed and become the backbone, right? So this notochord, beta, it is mesodermal in origin. It is mesodermal in origin, right? That means it is derived from the cells called mesodermal cells. Mesodermal cells, right? So mesodermal cells lead to the formation of notochord, right? And this notochord, beta, where is this present? This is present on the dorsal side. It is present on the dorsal side, right? It is present on the dorsal side. For example, in this diagram you can easily see, beta, this is the red portion which is known as the nerve cord, right? And below this, which is shown, is the notochord, this red portion which is not highlighted. This one is the highlighted portion, this is the nerve cord, and this one is the notochord. These are the gill slits, and this is the post-anal part. That means the back side, which is known as the anal part. Right? So these are the structures which you will be studying in detail when you will be studying the phylum Chordata. Now what happens, beta, due to the notochord presence or absence, there are two categories. Let me change the marker. There are two categories. The first category is chordates. Okay. Second is the non-chordates, or you can say chordata. Chordata and non-chordata. Fine. So chordata means they have a notochord. Non-chordata means they do not have a notochord. Fine. So chordates have a notochord. That is why they are known as chordata. You can see the relevance. Chord, right? So chordata has a notochord and non-chordata has no notochord. So example of non-chordata, beta, will be Porifera 2, Echinodermata. This is the example, Porifera 2, Echinodermata. Right? So this is all about notochord. In the next video we will be studying a very brief video it will be right? So it will be about the digestive system, circulatory system and your respiratory system, right? A little bit of very short video, 5 to 7 minute video I'll be uploading for that also, right? So stay tuned, all of you, and if you have any doubt regarding this, put down in the comment section, right? So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care.